Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. All you have to do is to open the recents. You can do it either by tapping on the button with the square icon if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, or swiping your finger from the bottom to the center if you've got the gestures. As you can see here, we've got the recents. If you want to, you can close only one of those apps or 2 of them just by swiping them up. But if you want to close all, you can either tap on clear all right here or go to the left and tap on clear all also, up to you. Just tap on it and we just got back to the home page, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.